Set off against sentence of imprisonment. Section 428 of CRPC says that where an accused has, on conviction, been sentenced to imprisonment for a term, not imprisonment in default of payment of fine, the period of detention, if any, undergone by him during the investigation, inquiry, or trial of the same case and before the date of conviction shall be set off against the term of imprisonment imposed on him on such conviction, and the liability of such person to undergo imprisonment on such conviction shall be restricted to the remainder, if any, of the term of imprisonment imposed on him. No set off. Why, when life imprisonment, State of MP versus Ratan Singh, AIR 1976, Supreme Court, page number 204. Moreover, when a court awards a sentence of life imprisonment, but the sentence is commuted to imprisonment 14 years by the state, then also accused is not entitled to remission of sentence under section 428 of CRPC. Detention before the date of conviction is to be set off, has to suffer reminder. Section 428 has retrospective operation. No set off in case of imprisonment in default of fine. Set off counted from date of arrest. 2006 All India MR Criminal 2981 equivalent to AIR 1985 Supreme Court 1050.
नमस्कार मित्रांनो, फील द लाईफमध्ये मी सचिन तुमचं स्वागत करतो. मित्रांनो, आज आपण एक नवीन विषयावरती व्हिडिओ बनवतो आहेत. अभ्यास कसा करावा हे सगळ्यांना माहीतच आहे, पण अभ्यास सोपा कसा करावा हे मी तुम्हाला आज शिकवणार आहे. शिकवणार म्हणजे मी तुम्हाला सांगणार आहे. तुम्ही फक्त व्हिडिओ प्ले करा, कानात हेडफोन टाका, नाही तर स्पीकरफोन लावा आणि विसरून जा. बघत राहा, सबस्क्राईब करा मित्रांनो. धन्यवाद.